Hello students and welcome back. This is the part 2 of If I Were You MCQ. I hope you have enjoyed the part 1. Let's quickly begin the part 2. Oh, don't be a fool. Who said this to whom? Was it said to Gerard, intruder, sergeant, or none of the above? And students, oh, don't be a fool. Gerard said this to the intruder. Where did the intruder first see Gerard? In Liverpool, in Arsenal, in Aylesbury, or in Essex? So students, in the chapter or in the play, the intruder tells Gerard that he saw first time Gerard and Aylesbury in the car. What does dandy mean? Blunt, dark, ugly, or excellent? Students, the dandy means excellent. It looks like you are a bit queer, kind of a mystery man. Who is the mystery man? Sergeant, intruder, Gerard, or the friend who called up? And students, answer for this is, this sentence was said by intruder to Gerard. So the mystery man here is Gerard. Who killed the cop? Gerard, sergeant, the man in the coat, or the intruder? An answer for this again, students. Intruder was the one who had killed the cop. What was Gerard's profession? He was a business analyst, he was a criminal, he was an actor, or he was a tradesman? An answer for the students. Gerard's profession was an actor. He was an actor. Who said that the law can't hang him twice? So students, we know the intruder had already accepted and said that he had killed a cop, and he came into the house of the Gerard as well, and he wanted to take over the identity of Gerard also. So this was said by intruder. Whose bag was packed up? Sergeant's, Gerard, authors, or the intruders? So students, if we refer the book, Gerard says that his bags are packed up and he's about to go. So the answer is, it's Gerard whose bags are packed up. Who went up and picked up the hat and bag? The author, sergeant, Gerard, or the intruder? An answer for the students is, Gerard went up and picked up the hat and bag. Why did Gerard have a false mustache? Because he was part of a rehearsal group, or he wanted to elope, he wanted to fool the cops, or none of the above? So students, if you read the chapter of the drama, Gerard says that he was a part of a rehearsal group. That is why he has a false mustache. So जैसे आपको पता है एक्टर्स जो होते हैं नकली दाढ़ी मूछ लगाते हैं, similarly Gerard had a false mustache because he was part of a rehearsal group. Gerard pointed the dash towards the cupboard door while fetching the phone. Hat, toy, gun, or nails? So answer for this, students, is Gerard pointed the gun towards the cupboard door. Where could the sergeant be found? At the balcony, at the rehearsal group, at the public bar, or at the hotel? And students, answer for this is, sergeant could be found at the public bar. Where did Gerard lock the intruder up? Inside the cupboard, inside the jail, inside the house, or none of the above? So students, Gerard locks the intruder inside the cupboard. वो उसको धक्का देता है, अलमारी के अंदर और फटाफट लॉक कर देता है. So he locks the intruder inside his cupboard. Why did the intruder want to kill Gerard? He wanted to gain freedom, he wanted to be happy, he wanted to look handsome, or both B and C. And so the answer for this is intruder wanted to kill Gerard because he wanted to gain freedom. So if we refer the book, I have got freedom to gain as for myself. I am a poor hunted rat, and as Vincent Charles Gerard, I am free to go places and do nothing. I can eat well and sleep and without having to be ready to beat it at the sight of a cop. तो पुलिस से भाग रहा था, डरता था, कहीं जा नहीं सकता था, आ नहीं सकता था कि कोई पुलिस पकड़ लेगी. So he wanted freedom. So वो जिराड को मार के जिराड बन के रहना चाहता था, to gain freedom. Who was the author of the drama? Douglas Jones, Douglas Green, Douglas Jackson, or Douglas James? And answer for this, students, is the author of the drama is Douglas James. According to Gerard, the man posted on the road would ring up as and when he sees the animal, the car for eloping, the criminal, or the police. And answer for the students is Gerard has posted a man on the road and he would ring up as soon as he sees the police. And students, this is the last question now of the part 2. I hope आपको अच्छा लग रहा होगा ये वीडियो. इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है. Attempt as you wish and it will help you understand the chapter also and possible MCQ question also. The last question is a little harsh, isn't it? Options are the idea of robbing, the idea of stabbing, or the idea of stealing, or the idea of killing. Let's refer to the book and see. So in the chapter, if you see, you mean to live with me? A trifle sudden, isn't it? You have not been invited. तो इंट्रोड्यूसर कहता है नहीं, you won't be here long, so I didn't trouble to ask. इसलिए मैंने पूछने की कोशिश ही नहीं करी है, जहमत नहीं उठाई, क्योंकि आप यहाँ पे ज़्यादा दिन नहीं रहोगे. तो जिराड बोलता है what do you mean? क्या मतलब है इसका? Then introducer says this is your big surprise. I am going to kill you. Then Gerard says a little harsh, isn't it? मतलब ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया ना, ज़्यादती हो गई. Then introducer says no. Yeah, I'll be sorry to do it. So students, we know now a little harsh, isn't it, is the idea of killing. And thank you students for watching this video. Share with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you like these videos. Thank you and good luck.